right now we're going to have Trains, Tricks, or Treats coming up. And that's going to be on this coming Saturday and Sunday, October 30th and 31st. And we've decorated the whole place here with Halloween decorations. We have little scenarios, little scenes set up, lots of spooky stuff. And it would be great to have everybody come on out and see what we've got set up. I think there'll be goodies for the kids, and there's certainly eye candy for everybody that comes out here to see the trains on Trains, Tricks, and Treats weekend.